How can we start to tackle the great challenges that we face globally? The problems we face today are mainly created by humans. They can be resolved, but only through human effort, understanding, and the development of a sense of brotherhood and sisterhood. To do this, we need to cultivate a universal responsibility for one another and for the planet we share based on a good heart and awareness. 我们如何开始应对全球面临的重大挑战？当今我们面临的问题主要是由人类自身造成的，它们是可以解决的，但唯有人类的努力、理解以及培养一种兄弟姐妹般的情谊，才能实现这一目标。要做到这一点，我们需要培养一种对彼此以及对我们共同生存的星球的全球责任感。这一责任感应基于善良的心和清醒的意识。